They have been trying to keep us on our knees.
The moment has come to take our rightful place in the world.
No more oppression. No more abuse. No more darkness.
The world is in our hands. This is the fight of our lives.
For freedom, for truth, and for love.
Are you crying?
No.
It's a dramatic pause.
Yes.
Whoa.
Now is the time to choose a side.
I don't dare side.